Guys, please try and follow this. So I'm sure Pat will share the screen. I'm sorry, share the recording later, and we all can follow it because we need to get our VMs ready. So okay. So James, go to your to the top left. Yeah. So yeah, file. Yeah, just click on that. Do import appliances. No, second one. You can do second one. Second one.
Export.
Yeah, import. No, no, import, no export, import.
Import.
Yeah. So uh go to that file, click on it. Keep coming right. Yeah. Click on that one. So go to your download. Okay, you didn't download the image. You actually download the operating system, not the image. Okay. Wait. Go back. Go back. No, no. Go back to the download. Yeah, just go back to the downloads. Yeah, just wait. Yeah, so I asked you to download the image. So click on that. Just double click on that. Yeah, click on it, double click on it. Yeah, and do next. So go to the just 1 second. The VirtualBox is there, and this version is 5.3, and just do finish.
Finish.
Yeah, finishing down. Agree. Okay. Importing appliances. Okay. Still important. So let's wait for it to finish importing.
This is taking some time.
Hi James.
Yeah,
I can't see anything from this. So what's he
yeah.
saying?
It says importing a plan. That's all I see here from C user
Okay.
machine setting file C.
Shouldn't take that much time
Yeah.
to import it. I don't think it's working properly. I'm gonna have to use my own then. I'm just trying to for people to follow me. Yeah. Um, yes, it's not. Just one sec. It's not saying anything, right?
No.
All right. That's fine. Just stop. Stop
Yeah.
sharing. Let me continue. Oh, don't know what's wrong with you as well. I will share my screen. I was going to make someone do it. So I like student doing it. It's much easier. But let me share my screen. Okay. So can you guys see my right?
Yes, we can.
All right. So I'm just gonna delete it and I'll start all over. So it's the same process. Okay. So just delete all files. So this is my virtual box, right? But I have it already installed, so it will not work for me. But the process is the same. But I will still need someone to do it, so that someone that has not installed it before, so that it's much easier. So you can. There are two ways. You can either go to wherever you've downloaded the uh, parrot file. In my case here, and just double click on it. Then you just import by itself. That's one way to do it. Uh, did you all get that? So there are two ways. I'll cancel it again. So if you go to wherever you've installed or wherever you downloaded the Parrot file, just double click on it. Just double click on it. As long as you have the VirtualBox running, automatically by default, it will just bring this up, right? So you can do few tweak here. So we can say because we just call this parrots. The product is Parrot operating system. This is what we're going to be using for our defensive, like we're going to be using, sorry, for our attacking box. So because we're going to be attacking, some people are going to be defending. So that's what we're going to be doing. So it says already that it's Linux operating system. So the version is 5.3. So you have all of this information. So we can give it a bit of a RAM. So I'll say let's give it 4096. That's the RAM size. 4096. So the network adapter is fine. So after that, we'll just do import and just agree to the term of license, and that's it. But I will not start it. Like I said, I have it running already. So this is how it's going to go, and you will just. So once it finishes, you just start it. Then there are a few things I will need to do there, but I have it running. I don't want to do it. I need somebody that's going to volunteer and do it. So I don't know why it's not working for James. So, but James, did you see what I did? Right? It was simple, right?
Yes, I saw it.
Yeah. So I don't know why it's not working for you that way. So we can try it again. So you go to wherever you downloaded the application, because I need you to do it or anyone to do it so that it's easier because I have it already, right? And I don't want to redo it because it's going to wipe out everything that I've got. But I need someone who hasn't done it. So we can use your own as an example and everyone else can follow it. Like I said, it's the same one. So if our part has got this particular one, use it. We'll have used our part image. But let's try it with Parrot because we're still going to download and we're still going to install Ubuntu as well anyway. So I would cancel it now. Oh, apart from James, does anyone download these Parrots? Can you see? That's it. It's all done. So you just be the case of starting it now. Obviously, I'll go to setting and do change my networking. So networking adapter, then I'll put it to host adapter only, and that's it. Then I'll start it. I'll start it, then it will work. So if I just start, yes, are you following me? Oh, okay. It says fail to position for project. Okay, take care. What's the reasons? Okay, maybe space. Okay, so let me change the name. The settings. Yeah, again, this is some of the issues if you've had it before. So like me, I had it before. Security. Let me look at the storage. So I need more memory. Might need more memory for me. So it's system processor. We'll put it like 2. Please, any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, please let me know. Ask me. System.
Hi, James Babajide. I have a question.
Okay, please.
I noticed that you are changing the base memory.
Yes.
Why do you do that?
So one, because I have enough space and I was just trying to give more memory. So the more memory, the better. There's no there's no any reason why you cannot use the default, but sometimes some virtual machines require you to have more, like to give them more memory for it to work. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So usually what I would recommend everyone to do, if you don't have, try and get like an external drive, which is going to be like one terabyte, or yeah, if you can even get 2 terabyte, that's fine. So most of your virtual machines are going to be running. So that means you're going to have your virtual your external drive plugged in to your own physical machine. Then all of your device, like all of your VMs are going to, like your images, everything are going to be on that external drive. So basically, when you are running your VMs, you're going to be running from there. Then it gives you your personal laptop their space, so you're not using the memory from your own laptop. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? Do we get what I mean?
Could you say that again, please?
Okay, so I would recommend that we get an external drive. It could be, external hard drive. I'll show you what I mean. I go to what's it called? Amazon, right? So external drive, external hard drive. So it could be like one terabyte. Yeah, something like this. Something like this. So this is if I buy this now, this is like I can get it tomorrow. It's got 1 TB. So basically, it's an external drive, right? So if I plug it to my laptop, I can have all of my images, everything that I'm running to be on this. So that frees the space of my own, hard drive. For example, my laptop hard drive is this. So my hard disk is what's my space again? I got to Space properties. Yeah, you can see. You can see. I've almost used everything. You can say this is the. Can you see? This is the size for my disk, right? And this is what I've used. You can see. Can you guys see it? So I've used almost everything basically because I've got a lot on this laptop. So what I'm going to be doing myself is I'm going to be buying this drive, this external drive. Then I will move a lot of my stuff. So you can see I've got a lot of applications. You can see I've got tons of things. Then I'll move a lot of my stuff. I'll move it to my drive. But for me, because I do a lot of stuff, so I've got tons of folders. So I'll move all of these things. I'll move into my personal drive. Then that will free my space. Or if you have a cloud, like OneDrive, you can move your things as well there. So basically, it's just to free your space. So for me, I don't have a space again. That's why I'm running up to this issue. So let me try again. You can see that I'm flat out. So I'll need somebody else to do it because I don't have a space again. So I'm completely flat out on my laptop. I'll try it one more time. If it doesn't work, I will say someone else should. Again, these are the things that we're going to run to when we are trying to sort out these things. Again, yeah, I can't do it because I don't have a space. So who can volunteer, please? Because my laptop, as you guys can see, it's completely flat out.
I can
There's
try.
no space again.
This is Tessie. I can try.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So you share your screen. Pat, please let's Tessie share our screen. But again, please guys, get that external drive. It would help you a lot. Even personally, I'll be getting it after this class so that I can move all of my things, all of my stuff that I've got. Yeah, all of these folders. I'll move everything to my external drive. So that this frees the space for me, so that I can have this space to do my own stuff. So you can see I've got a lot of things going on. All right. So Tessie, please. Do you have the image as well downloaded?
I've downloaded the Parrot one.
Okay, cool, brilliant. Please share your screen. Let me stop sharing.
Okay.
Share your screen. I will tell you the what you need to install, like the amount of CPU, all of those things that you need to do. Oh, you have it already?
Yeah. I
Okay.
actually downloaded it today.
Why did you have to? Why did you? Now you're going to be taking a lot of space from your memory. Then why did you install two? One is Parrot Security. One is Parrot Security 1. Why? Is there any reason?
No, maybe it was a mistake. I have to delete one.
Mhm.
No, it was even one initially.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, have you tested it? Did it work?
No, I've not tested it because I don't know how it works.
Okay. No. Just no. Don't worry. Just click on the first one.
Okay.
Yeah. As long as you have the image. Do you have the image there, right?
What image?
The Parrot image.
Yeah. If it's this one, the parasite.
Yeah, just click on the gray one. Click on the gray one.
The gray one.
The gray one. The green one. Green. The first one, the one you selected. Just go up and click on start.
Okay.
Just select it or go up. Just go up. Go up. Keep coming right. Keep coming right. Keep coming right. Keep coming right. Right. Keep coming, and just click on start.
Okay, I'm
keep
coming.
coming.
I need to remove this. There is something disturbing me. No, I'm coming. Yes, I need to move. I need to move this one down so I can see. Okay. So,
Just click on one of them and just start it.
okay, I've clicked on this.
Yeah, go to the top.
That.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. I don't know. I don't understand why you did two though. I will never
I think
understand that.
it was a mistake actually, because it was one. When I saw you doing yours, I said, let me see if I was right.
Ah,
Did
okay.
it again.
Yeah, I don't have a space in my laptop again, so that's why. I also have, because I don't have intention of me doing it. I was going to say someone should do it so that we can all see, because I know that I don't have a space again. I'm kind of free of my space, so, and everything is important. I cannot delete anything. We can't see what you are doing though.
Coming.
Yeah, just leave it like that, just so we all can see it. Okay, it's just important now. So I think that's this. If you just double click on the where it says running, double click on it. No, where it says running,
Let me
running, private security running.
security. Okay.
Yeah, just double click on that one and just leave it. Yeah.
Okay.
So then you can see what exactly is happening. So what's it saying? I can't see it.
It has gone off.
Okay. Yeah.
Code to send host.
Okay. So it says yeah. So it looks like it's working.
Okay.
So yeah, just wait, guys. Are we seeing it? I'm not able to do it because I've not been able to download any of these images. Adebola, why? Is there any reason why you've not been able to download it? Adebola, can you speak up, please? Any reasons?
Yeah, I told you initially that I had multiple. I started with Ubuntu, and I had these multiple dialog boxes, and I just gave up.
No,
I didn't bother to try any other one.
the link that I sent to you shouldn't show any multiple stuff. It's just straight to the link. I don't know what you saw, but we'll come back to you.
Okay, thank you.
So, Tessie, please don't be too fast. So
No,
that
I'm not no, I'm not touching anything. It's going by.
I can direct you. Yeah. So just wait. It's working, but let's just wait. I saw some prompts now saying username or something.
No,
Yeah.
I've not seen anything like
Yeah, now it's completely it's working. So click on. So guys, I'll wait here. Do we understand how we get here? I did up to where I imported it, but the reason why it didn't work for me was because I don't have a space again in my laptop. But Tess I still got a lot of spaces in a laptop. That's why this worked. But it was the same process that I did. The only reason why mine didn't work was because there's no space again. I don't have any space in my hard disk again. So do we up to this place? Do we get it? Any questions, concerns, anything that anyone wants to raise before we proceed to do some other ones? I mean, there's still things that we need to do here though, but any questions from anyone?
Yeah, hi James. Fortune.
Yeah, fortunately, I know I made a mistake. I didn't send I sent it to .com instead of
Yeah,
.co.uk. So
yeah, that's
yeah,
okay.
but yeah, please
Yeah,
go
so
ahead,
my
please.
question is, so all this download, say for instance not we, when we get the job, do we do all these
Yeah.
downloads ourselves, or IT does it?
No, you wouldn't do it because they will have done it for you. But because this is a training, right? And in an interview, they will ask you. They will say you are a security specialist or SOC analyst, and you say yes. They will ask you that. Do you have any lab? They will ask you three questions. They will, one, do you have any labs? Two, how did you improve your skills? And three, they will ask you, what did you have in your lab?
Hmm.
So those three questions, bet me, they will always ask you. And do you know why you need the lab? Fortune, I'll tell you. The reason why you need the lab is because when you get to your job, You cannot test anything on a production environment. You cannot try it. You cannot do try and error. It's not acceptable. You have to know 100% what you are doing. So where you can play things, where you can break things, where you're allowed to do whatever, it's on your own lab. And that's where you own your knowledge, or you fine tune your skills, you do everything that you can do in security. And that same knowledge is what you then take to your office, because it's not allowed. If you work for a very big organization, some do have like a lab that you can go and practice, but not every company do. Not every company. So some didn't have any lab. They just expect you that you know what you're doing. And but one thing that you never do is to be practicing or testing things on your work environment. I've seen people that were sacked for that. You are not allowed. You can't do it. So you need to do whatever you want to do in your own lab, because it's your own lab. I mean, Tessie can decide to delete this VM and start it all over again. Tessie, right?
Yeah.
Can't you do that? Because it's your lab, it's your laptop. You can do whatever you want to do. So nobody can say, why are you doing it? So if you feel like, okay, I want to, and again, this is how you learn it, because this process of installation, you will go through some things. It will not work. You try to figure out why it didn't work. That's part of the knowledge, because you have to understand that not everything will not work straight away, and you're expected to troubleshoot, understand why that thing did not work. Google is your friend. You can always find anything there. Before you speak to anyone, before you speak to your colleague, before you say, oh, this didn't work, please, I cannot overemphasize this. Go and find out, from Google first, because you'll be surprised that the same problem that you have, people have had it and they've posted, the solution online. Because if you keep asking for everything from your colleagues, manager, wherever, they will see you as somebody that doesn't take initiative, and you cannot figure things out by yourself. And that's because of that, they might say, you know what, this is not the right person for us, because you have to be able to figure out things by yourself. It doesn't matter amount of training that you're given, being able to use, because that's what's going to happen at work, right? You can't be going to your colleagues or manager every time, say, oh, why is this not working? Why is this not doing this? But you are expected to also think, okay, again, why is this not working? The first point of contact will be Google. Even me, I use Google. I mean, who doesn't use Google? Everyone does, right? So you go there and Google it. But again, you have to know what you are Googling, right? So, and to be able to use it for your work, anyways. So, so Fortune, I'll send you the email tonight. Again, my apologies. I didn't know.
Oh, it's all right.
I send it to .com instead of .co.uk, but otherwise I send it to every other one, every other people apart from you, Fortune.
Yeah.
So,
No, I didn't get it, please.
who is that? Saka, right?
Yeah. I just dropped my email.
Yeah, you didn't get it because you were not here on Thursdays, right? That was why. But I'll send it to you, unfortunately, as well.
Thank you.
No worries. So Tessie, can you double click on the that application called PARROT? No, the first one. Yeah. Just click on that. Click on that. So let's go to let's do this. Let's go to the top. Top left. Not left. Top left.
Yeah.
Top left.
Okay.
Close this application. Just X out of that. X out of no. You can X out of it from your top left. Top left. No, this particular window that you opened.
Oh, yeah.
Just go to top left and just X out of it. Yeah. Then go to your top left now and go to applications. Just drop it down. There's a drop down. Yeah. Drop it down and go to so what we're looking for, go to system tools. Let's see, there's something I'm looking for. No. So basically, I'm just going to explain this real quick, but it will be good, Tessie, and all of us to just go and see what you can do, right? So basically, these system tools, you can see, I was talking about MITRE framework, right? I was talking about um PowerShell and all those good stuff. We can do it. But let's start from the very top and tell you what each of them does. So let's start from the no privacy, like privacy from after application.
Okay.
No, after applications from the top. Yeah. So basically, this is your cryptography that you can you can use. You can, I mean, go to drop down of cryptography as well. So basically, you can encrypt your data. You can use this. You can encrypt your data from here if you want. You can also go to the second one is your office after privacy. It's your office. Yeah, office. Yeah, this is self-explanatory, right? So this is just like your Microsoft, but this is in Linux, but it works the same way. So you could, type. You can do whatever you want to do here as well. The next one is internet. So you can go to browser, Tor. I don't want to say this Tor browser. What you can potentially do with Tor browser. I won't say it now. I don't want people to go and use it to do something that is not allowed. So, but if you want to read more about Tor, what you can do with Tor, please go ahead and do it. If you want to read about this, I won't say it anyway. So someone is trying to say something, right? Okay, no one. So the next one is graphics. Again, it's the same graphics, whatever you want to do with graphics, image, drawing, and whatnot. Next one is sound. Again, it's sound, it's nothing. Then game. You can play a game. Then it starts to get interesting things. So this is pen testing. This is like offensive. So these are the things that we're going to be using. So we're going to be doing. So I was talking about information gathering on Thursday. So yeah, these are all the tools that you can use. So if you want to do DNS analysis, if you want to do IPS and IDS identification, if you want to do OSINT, SMTP analysis, SSL analysis, whatever you want to do reconnaissance. I think was it James, or I can't remember. Was it James that we're talking about reconnaissance on Thursday? Was it you or Babajide? I can't remember. I think it was Babajide or James that we're talking about reconnaissance. So this is where you can do a lot of reconnaissance. No, we're going to be doing it. Even Wireshark is here, you can see. Wireshark is here. And if you want to gather information about stuff, you can see from there as well. Then the next one is vulnerability, or still on the pen testing. You go back, so you can go to vulnerability analysis. So again, we can do, so if you go to Cisco tools, so you can use these tools to analyze, vulnerabilities basically. So the next one is web applications. I'm just going through them. Like you can at your leisure, you can just go through it again. So web application, you can use this to do web application scanner. You can do proxy, OWASP top 10. If you want to do some test on website, you could use this. There's a lot that you can do with this. But again, at your leisure, please explore as much as you want. And if you have questions, specific questions, you can ask me. So, exploitation tools as well. The next one. Again, this is like Metasploit. This is like offensive stuff. We're going to be using some of them, not all of them, but you could read more if you want. So this is database. If you want to exploit database, that's you're going to be using the first one. If we can see, so these are all the tools that you can use to do database exploit, like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and all of those stuffs. We are not doing pen testing here, but we're going to be doing some element of it because we want to be able to attack our server, then be able to defend it. So we are going to have some basic knowledge of pen testing, but the course is not about pen testing. So the next one is maintaining assets. We talked about MITRE framework. So a lot of these tactics and techniques can be seen here as well. Post exploitation. Again, that is how we can exploit privilege escalation. If you want to exploit a server, use any of these. These are methodologies that could be used. Privilege escalation, Mimikatz, PowerShell. Then the next one is password attacks. So yeah, I'm trying. I'll be careful not to show some things because I know people can go and try it, and by law, hacking is not allowed. If you go and try and do some things, like maybe you just go on a website and you are beginning to attack them, one can go to jail for that because hacking is not allowed. You can only hack someone's laptop, server, website, whatever, when they give you permission to do it. You just cannot go and do it. So that's why I'll be careful what I'll be showing us here. But I'll show us something that will not put us in trouble. So again, wireless testing. If you want to test the wireless, if your wireless is secure or not, these are the things that you can use. So sniffing and spoofing. If you want to spoof your network, your man in the middle attacks, these are the one for you. Digital forensics. If you want to do digital forensics, if you want to know if somebody has changed your files, if somebody has changed your file locations, PDF forensics. If you want to know that if someone sends you a PDF and you want to know if the PDF is safe or not, you could do it from here. We're going to get to some of those ones as well in the course of the course. So that automotive, we don't need it. Reverse engineering, we don't need it. But if you want to read more about it, please feel free to do it. It's for malware analysis, but it's beyond the scope of this course. And the last one is reporting tools, how to report. So that's what we have in pen testing. So if you go to programming, you see, you can see what we have at the PowerShell, Visual Studio, and whatnot. For I think Fortune said he's learning Python, right? Are you using Visual Studio to write your code, Fortune? I don't know if Fortune is still there because I remember you told me that you were learning Python. Fortune, are you there?
Yeah. Hi. Yes, I am.
Okay. How do you write your code? Are you using Visual Studio?
Yes, I am.
So you can actually do it from me as well. Can you say that? You can do it from your once you install PARROT, you can actually do it from me. So you come to programming and you go to exactly. So let's go to system tools. So yeah. So again, these are all the things you can do. So let's go to keep coming to meet terminal. So let's go to terminal. Terminal. Yeah, click on that. So this is how to use the command line. So this is the terminal. So I will stop here and wait for us to ask questions. This is really important. This installation and all of this is really important. And thank you, Tessie, for following. So that was good. Thank you. And I'm sure it'll be easier for the rest of the team once they get all the application, all the images downloaded, and they follow this video. It will just be the same thing. So, any questions before we proceed, please?
Thank you, James. You said something in passing now. I want to believe you are talking to us here who are your students. You say hacking needs permission. How do you mean?
Yes, correct.
The bad guys need permission to hack a system?
So there's a law in every country, right? So we have the blue team and we have the red team. And obviously we have the bad guys. No, to answer your question, no, the bad guy doesn't need permission if they don't get caught.
Okay.
If you get caught, at least in the UK, as I know it in the UK, if you hack someone else's system without their permission, and if you are caught, you're going to go to jail, 100%. There's no question asked,
Okay.
because it's in the law in the UK. At least I know that for sure, because there's a data law here. There's a GDPR, data privacy, and all of those things. So in the UK, hacking is illegal. However, there's what we call ethical hacking, meaning that if you come to me and say, James, I have a website and I want you to help to check the website if the website is secure, then you and I are going to sign a contract, so that contract is going to protect me, to say you have asked me to do it.
Okay.
Do you understand? So if you now turn around and say, James, why are you attacking my website? Because what I'm going to do is what the bad guy would do. It's the same thing, but the difference is that I'm doing it in a covered way, because I have a contract with the owner of the website, whereas the bad guy would not. He will just do it. Hopefully, he will be thinking that he will not get caught, but you never know. If you are not so experienced in hacking and you just know some basic things and you don't know how to clear your tracks, there's what we call keeping your tracks or clearing your tracks. So if you don't know how to do that, they will know. Remember when we started the course, I said everything that you do is logged, right? Everything that you do is logged. So that log is like what they used to trace you back to say, James has done this.
Like a footprint.
Exactly. That's the right terminology, your footprint. Everything you do on the internet, your footprint is there. That's why they say internet never forgets. Everything. Sometimes I go back as like 10 years and I saw some stupid things that I've uploaded online. I was like, really? And it's still there. It's not going to go away. That's why you need to be very careful. I mean, they're not bad things. They're not bad things, because if you're going to go through, security clearance and DV clearance, they're going to deep into your histories and check all of your internet histories and check, there are some jobs that you get in the UK, and before you get a job, they'll do some checks for you. They'll check all of those things to make sure that, you can be trusted. So that's why it's very important what you do on the internet. You need to be very careful. As long as you are in the security industry, you need to be extremely careful of what you do. So does that answer the question?
Thank you very much. It's clear.
Thank you. So Tessie, let's go. Thank you. So no one is asking any further questions. So we'll just go to. I'll instruct you to do some things on that. 1 second, please. Okay, so Tessie, just go go back to your setting. Go back to your setting. Just minimize this. Just minimize it and go back to your VirtualBox. No, minimize the whole of your parrots. No, go to your top right. Yeah, minimize it there and go to your. So it's go to the one that is running and click on settings. Right click on it. Right click and go to settings. Settings. Yeah, thank you. And go to network. No, settings, keep coming down. Yeah, network, click on that. I want to know, oh, you're using a NAT network. Okay. So you're using a NAT for now. Okay. Just cancel it. Cancel it. Yeah. So go back to the running. It says running, right? Double click on it. Double click. Just double click on it. It'll take you back there. So go back to that command line where you open. So it's just come down. You can see it. Top top. If you come to bottom, yeah, that one. You can see where you have your menu. Beside your menu, you see come down. Keep coming down. Yeah, that's it. Parrot terminal. Click on it. Click on it, and just do sudo sudo space. No, space. Don't type it. Just give it Don't type. Just do space. If you do yeah, space exactly, and do apt. That's app apt. Then dash space, like that space dash do your dash. No, dash as in there's gonna be like an hyphen after the apt, yeah, and do get get space and do update, yeah, and do just click enter. So it's going to ask for a password. The password is Parrot. Just type it exactly, same password, Parrot. Just PARROT and just enter. You won't see it because it's Linux, but make sure that you type correctly. Good. It looks like it's working. Well done. Well, Tessie is really very good. Well done. So yeah, we need to update the operating system. So keep going. Just leave it. It's doing its own thing. Just leave it. When it finishes, we will know.
Okay.
Yeah, it's done. Well done. So again, just do sudo again. Sudo. You can just do your arrow up. If you do your arrow up, it's going to bring that what you typed before. Or if you don't want to do that, just do sudo. Just do sudo. The same thing. Type sudo sudo space apt, that's apt space sorry dash, sorry, close the space and do get space upgrade.
Okay.
Upgrade. So what we did before was to update it, and now we're upgrading it. Just click enter. Yeah, do you want to continue? Yes, just type Y and enter. Y and enter. Yeah. So while we are waiting for the upgrade to be completed, any questions from anyone? We'll go back to James now after Tessie, so that we can complete James' own as well. So we'll figure it out what's wrong with James' own. So after Tessie. Thank you, Tessie. Much grateful. Thank you. Anyone has got any questions? I'm going to send it to Saka and Fortuna. I'm doing it right away while we're waiting for that to be completed. So
hi James.
Right.
Shala. Yeah, please can you remind me again how we got to Parrot terminal?
Okay. We went from applications. Tessie, do you mind? Don't worry, it doesn't stop what you're doing. Just go to application and go to system tools, and then from there you can go to your, I mean, you can use any of the terminal anyway. You can use root terminal, you can use a Mate, but we use a Mate. No, keep that one. So Shala, does it make sense now? That was how we got to the terminal.
Yeah, I've tried the root terminal before. It's asked me for my password.
For your password, what do you mean for what did you do exactly what Tessie was doing, right? Was that what you did? Because I don't know what you've done. So what did you do? Shala, are you there? I mean, you You were talking to me. So what did you do? I wanted to understand what you did.
Yeah,
So
I
I can.
just went to the system tools and then I click on the root terminal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we didn't use root terminal. We used math terminal, right? That was what we used.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, that was. Well, you could use the root terminal, but because you have not set up a password for your Parrot Linux box, so you can't use the root terminal now. But you can use it, and I'll show you how to use it. But for simplicity, you can just use math terminal. It's
All right.
easier.
Yeah, thank you.
No worries. Anyone has got any questions, please? So after this is gonna be Shola. Sorry, it's gonna be James. Yeah, it was James. Yeah. So, just get some chance to learn. So, Fortune and Shola, I've just emailed you guys the link. So please confirm it. Once you get it, I just did it now.
Yeah, hi James. I got mine already.
Cool, brilliant. Is that Fortune, right?
Yeah, Fortune.
Okay, thank you. Shola, please do confirm as well. Oh, Saka. Oh, sorry, Saka. Yeah, sorry. I don't know why I'm missing. Thanks, Saka. Why I was missing you, I should get. Yeah, please, if you guys can just try and get just download the install files, and I'm sure Pat is going to share this recording so we can try and, because by next Thursday we'll start to do the real attack and defend, and we'll see how things are worked. So we're going to be installing more things. So again, this is going to be your lab. Just make sure that you play in your lab. Whatever you want to learn it in your lab. It's easier that way. And even when you go for an interview and they ask you, do you have your lab? You'll be so proud. Say, yes, I've got lab. Yeah, I've got this in my lab. You have no idea how your interviewers are. They are so happy because they know that, oh, this guy is really serious. Like, takes this thing very seriously. Because if you don't have a lab, then how do you learn? You tell them, then I don't have a lab. They're like, oh, okay. Maybe this guy is not that serious, because where do you practice? Where do you learn? So that's why the lab is really important.
Hello, James. This is Tessie.
Yep. It's still. I can see that it's still. Don't worry.
So what are these things?
These are just packages. Don't worry about them. You don't have to worry, because this is an operating system, right? So you have to know that you are running an operating system inside an operating system. So you have your physical laptop, right? And you have your VM. This is a VM. So basically, this is another lap. This is just like another laptop running, but it's a virtual one, right? But it works the same way. So these are all just packages. So the first thing that we did was to update the operating system. Then we now upgrade it to the latest one. So because it's possible that the one we downloaded has got some vulnerability. So that's why we update it and we upgrade it. So update and upgrade. So we're just upgrading to the latest version, basically. That's all we're doing. So this is all this that is doing is behind the scene. You don't worry about it. Don't worry about whatever it's doing. So you can see it's saying unpacking certificate.
yeah.
So what that means is that all of those so that means the version you were running before has probably got some vulnerabilities. So he's unpacking it and is packing. So he's preparing the new one. So basically, just to make it very short, he's just upgrading you to the latest version. Basically, that's all that he's doing. But it's nothing to worry about. Don't worry. When it finishes, now you tell us that yes, I'm. Okay, so yeah, let's see if we can. Yeah, it's just a case of finishing that. Let's see. Can we quickly? Yeah, it's almost. You just James. Do you want to? Was it James? Yeah. Do you want to try and
Yeah, I want to try.
start as well? Okay. So yeah, we'll come back to you, Tessie. So that's how you're just saying. That's all we want to do today. Just install these things. It takes time, but that's what we want to do. Then by Thursday, we will start to then. So I'll send you more emails. During the week, I'll send you more files to some more files to download. So because we need all of those things running in our VMs. So everything we're going to be doing is going to restrain to our VMs. So we're going to be attacking our VMs, and we're going to be defending our VMs. That's where we're learning everything from. Everything is going to happen there. So our VM is like it's like the only place that we need to keep so secure and safe.
You want me to share?
Yes, please. Tessie, we'll come back to you. Let's go to
sharing.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tessie. Thank you.
I connected a hard drive and
So no, wait. I really don't understand. So Why is your? Can you close your VM? Just close your VM and start all over again. I don't know what version of VM are you running? Your VM is very different to just click on it. Right click on it. So open your VM and no, if you right click, oh no, I'm trying to see how I can see the property. I want to see what you are running. Run it as an administrator because your VM is very different. I don't know why it's different. Maybe you are running old version or something. I don't know. Because it's different. I mean, you can see how Chelsea's one is. That's exactly how mine is as well. This is really different. Go to file. No, if you go to file, yeah, go to file and do import. So is that import right? Yeah, go to that one and go to the download where you have the. Go to your download where you have
Machine was
the.
telling me it has no space, James.
Oh, your machine says it has no space.
Yes. Can that be?
No, wait. Let's try this one. So click on the
But I
PARROT.
have sorry to cut you. I have an external drive here. If you want me to use this, my passport.
Yeah, just move everything. Move your file, everything to your external drive then.
Yeah, I move this parrot and I move the parrot and the okay.
Okay, go on. Yeah, move it to your external drive. How many space is your drive? Do you know how many space it? What's the? Is it 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte? You don't know. Okay. Okay. Because I mean, all of your Windows, everything that I sent to you, just make sure that you save it in your external drive. Then you can go and delete it from your folder so that it doesn't, eat up your space.
Okay. Okay, let me try what we did last time.
Yeah, go to the download. Yeah, click and do open and do next. Yeah, so yeah, it's fine. Don't worry, just leave everything as default. No, change the CPU to 2. Oh, you know what? Leave it at 4. Don't worry, leave it at 4. And change the RAM. The RAM size you can you can put it to 4096. Just double click on that. No, the RAM size. Double click on 4096 and change the CPU to 2. Change the CPU to 2 and go to your machine base folder. Machine folder. Tell it to go and run from your. Click on that. No, click on your machine. Keep coming down. You can see machine base folder. Keep coming down. No, keep coming down. Yeah, machine base folder. You can see that. Yeah, click on that. Just click on the drop down. Go to order. So you're saying that you should go and do it from your. Find your external drive. Find it. Where's your external drive? Yeah. Where's your? I thought you added the.
Yeah.
What is it? It's gone. Okay, don't worry. Cancel this.
Wow.
I don't know why it's not showing, but cancel it. Let's go back. I was going to say that you should go and run it from there, but go back to and just use the default VM, VirtualBox VM. Okay, and click on finish. Click on finish. Yeah. Do you agree? Yeah. Usually, you should just pop up here. We should have it here. But
yeah. As it is the space, but what is going on?
No, it's not space. I think probably running an old version of virtual machine because it's looking very different. So go to your desktop. Go to your desktop and see. Just leave this. Just minimize this. Minimize this one. Minimize it. Don't close it. Just minimize this and go to your desktop. So go to there's where you have all your applications. Where you have all your applications, desktop. Where you have all your applications.
Yeah, let me try. Let me just this.
So I want you to go and right click on the virtual box and see what version are you running. So if you right click on it and go to properties, then you can see what version you're running. So okay, that's it. Oracle, no, you can. I don't think you can do it from here. Anyway, try and right click on that. No, can't do it from here. So you have to go to. Did you? Is this your desktop or what? What are you sharing now? I don't know. Your laptop is looking very different. I don't know.
Yeah, the laptop is looking weird, right?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to say that. So it's very different. Go to more. Go to more.
See
Like
all
yeah. So
okay.
what's your deck? Let's find your virtual box. I think you're not running the right one. So if you click on, I mean, you could see what we did for Tessie. It was straightforward. So
Yeah.
find the virtual box and right click on it and let's see. I didn't even think you have it here. Okay. Yeah. No, that's not what I want. I want to see what version you are. So do you get this virtual box? Sorry, who's that?
That's in Babajide.
No, someone was trying to talk. I think someone was trying. Was it part or was it?
Yeah, that was Babajide.
Okay. Sorry. What did you want to say?
I think his mic was on or something.
Oh, okay. All right. So, where did you get this virtual box from?
The one you downloaded, right? And today again, I also downloaded the one in the email you sent.
I mean, this virtual box. Where did you get it? Did you download it from? Where did you get from the internet or where did you get
No,
from?
the one you did last time. You did one with us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was the one
That's I don't know why it's looking. Can you click on the dots? Where you have tools. If keep where you have tools and keep coming right. Keep coming click on that. Go to welcome. Click on the welcome. It's really different. To be honest, I don't know why it's like this. It's very different to what I've seen. Go to machine. Machine, yeah, click on that. No. It's not showing what you are currently running. You are running it, or for whatever reason,
Can I remove it and
we can't see it. I don't know. Yeah, I'll say remove it and restore it. I don't know why it's working.
And this one that I should be
So
PARROT.
yeah. So when you click on the PARROT, I'll tell you what I mean. Click on it. No, the PARROT. Yeah, click on it. So this is going to bring you here. If you go to just 1 second. So 1 sec, please. So if you come to downloads. No, keep coming down. No, not that one. Keep coming down. Downloads. No, go up. You'll see download by your right. To your right, keep going up, stop. To your right. Yeah, drop it down, and you will see VirtualBox 64. That's what you need to install. Yeah, click on that one. That's what you need. That's the one. That's the one. So just leave it there. So once you double click that, so once you finish, then you just import it directly. So that's what you need. And for the Ubuntu, if you go back to the link that I sent to you, yeah, just click on that. Click on the Ubuntu and just download. Yeah, it takes you straight to that link, so it doesn't take you to anywhere. Just click on it and get it downloaded as well. So yeah,
Mine doesn't do that. I need, oh,
No, it's doing it. So you have the, why do you have two Parrot? Oh, okay, so make sure you cancel the one that is saying 2 hours. Cancel that. Click on it and just cancel it. Go to the folder and just cancel it. Go to the folder. No, go back. Anyway, you can do it whenever you want to do. Just cancel one because you don't need two, right? Just cancel one. Yeah, cancel one and that's it. So download your Ubuntu and go and download your Windows as well because that takes a bit of time to finish. So if you go back to the email that I sent to you, the email, go back to the email. Yeah, click on the Windows machine. That's the third one. Yeah, click on the third one. So again, download it for VirtualBox, and I think Fortune uses workstation, right? For you can install the VMware one. Okay, so because I don't think you have a VirtualBox, do you?
Well, see, so I got a better machine
Okay.
with the specs, so I've just downloaded the VirtualBox on it. So yeah.
Brilliant. So okay, cool. Just follow the VirtualBox. VirtualBox is free, so that's why I'm using it. So just install the VM on the click on the VirtualBox. Yeah, that's the one.
All right, cool. Thank you.
All right. Okay. So James, you can make sure that so it's going to take time for the Windows and all of this machine all of this installation files to download. Just leave it there so we can go back to Tessie. Tessie, where are you now? Oh, Tessie.
I'm here.
So it's all done, right? Yeah. Are you done, right? Everything is fine now, right?
Yes, everything is done.
Okay. Do you mind sharing your screen, please?
Okay.
Thank you. So while you are doing this, you can try and download the image for your for your Ubuntu and your Windows machine as well. Make sure that
I actually downloaded them.
Yeah.
I don't know what else to do.
Yeah, just so what you would do, we're going to do them on Thursday. So create a folder, okay?
Okay.
Go to your desktop now. Just go to your desktop. Go to the guys. You guys can also do this. So right click on your your laptop, okay? Right click on your laptop. Go to new and folder and call it security training. Just call it security training, and make sure that all of your installation files are stored on this folder. Everything that you are doing, put it on this folder, and delete everything in your download folder because it's going to slow your system down unnecessarily.
Okay.
So move everything into your folder and delete it from your so that you don't have a duplicate, right? So it's neat and tidy. So you have all of your stuff in your folder, going forward. So you put it in that folder. So once you do it, the Windows machine is going to be very easy to install on Thursday. It's Windows. So on Thursday is when we're going to start to attack and start to do the hands-on stuff. So like real stuff. So please, guys, I'll say we're going to be finishing in the next 10-15 minutes. But please, in preparation for Thursday, please, during the course of the week, if you have any issue with installation or anything, please give me a shout, on the group. Just put it on the group, say, James, I'm having this issue. Or better still, you can also take a screenshot of your issues and put it there. So all you're doing is, if you don't have a VirtualBox, make sure that you install a VirtualBox. Make sure that your images for Parrot, for Ubuntu, and for Windows machines are ready. All the images, please. You have between today and Monday, Tuesday. Make sure that sometimes it might take time, one day or not. I don't think it shouldn't take up to one day. If you have a very fast internet, like if you use very fast internet, you can do it like in 2 hours, really. But I would say, please create a folder, moved all of your downloads into that folder, just like what Tessie is doing now. So Tessie, do IP, just do IP space ADDR and do enter. So now what's your IP address? Can you tell me your IP address for your virtual machine? What's your IP address for this machine? You remember we did IP address, right? Or let me put it this way. Can somebody tell me what is the IP address for Tessie on Parrot machine? Can somebody tell me IP address? Can anybody say it?
Is it the 10.0.2.255?
I'm asking a question. You will tell me. Is that the IP address or not?
Yeah, that's the IP address.
Yeah.
That's the IP address. Okay. So who said that? Is that Fortune, right?
Yes, that's me.
Okay, good. Who else agrees with Fortune? I think was that Pat that said I don't know. Yeah, I think it was Pat. Was it you, right?
Hi, I'm here. You called me?
No, was it you that said that was the IP address, right?
No, I didn't say it. I just unmuted now.
Yeah, it was me.
Okay.
I think it was Tessie.
Oh, Tessie. Okay, all right. So anybody wants to try again? Anyone? Okay, I'm really enjoying this because what we did initially was on a Windows machine, but this is a Linux machine. It's the same, but the difference is that the IP address for Linux is actually the iNet. So is the iNet. So the IP address is 10.0.2.15. So that's your IP address, not that. So the 10.0.2.25 is the broadcast address. So that is the address your router used to send a broadcast message to all of the hosts. Remember we did host? Yeah, host address and network address. So within this network, if there's going to be a message, the broadcast is going to be using 10.0.2.225 to send the message. So the IP address for this machine is 10.0.2.15, which is called iNet address. So what we did was Windows, but this is for Linux. So you've learned something again today. So Tessie, if you do ping, just do ping.
Sorry, please. Sorry, James. Question before we leave this page.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, the iNet 10.0, that's the IP address.
Yes.
In Serial 1 above that Serial 1, you have iNet 127.0.0.1/8.
So that is your look back address. So yeah, so I remember I said when we started this, I talked about look back address. I talked about your own personal address. So every host machine on the network has a personal address, and it's called look back address. So that is your own address. So that is not the address from your network, but that is the address that is assigned by whoever produce your own machine, and it does not change. It's 127.0.0.1. That's not your IP address. That's your loopback address. So you can see, it's even there. I didn't even see that it was there. You can see link/loopback. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it. So it's a loopback. So loopback address means your device address, basically.
Okay, thank you.
So, a quick one. So the device address, the loopback address is a default address.
Correct. Default. Correct. Never changes. Will never change. But your IP address can change, because this host 10.0.0, because the IP address is being given by DHCP. You remember we talked about DHCP, right? Did anybody remember what we said DHCP server is? So because on Tessie's home network, so our router has got a DHCP server, and that DHCP server has assigned this IP address to this host, because this virtual machine is also a host, is also another host on Tessie's network. So this host has been given this IP address 10.0.2.15. Does that make sense? Questions? Any questions, please, anyone?
All right. So quick one. So where is the /8 and /24? Where are they coming from?
So /8. So again, your loopback address. Don't worry about your loopback address. You never have to do anything with it. But
Okay.
the /8 is a class A. We talked about classes. So class A is /8, class /16 is class B. Again, that was, I was saying something about networking, like
Okay.
the base of networking is important. So this is networking. So /8 is class A, /16 is class B, and /32 is class C. But you don't need that. Don't worry. All we need for this purpose is just to know that this virtual machine has been assigned 10.0.2.15 IP address. That's all that we need to know, because that's what we need for this particular VMs. So just know that the 127.0.0.1 is a lookback address, or the host address of the address of the device, basically, which does not change. Or another name for it is the manufacturer address. You can call it that way, because they can ask you in an interview as well, say that what is loopback address. You need a guide through Ubuntu download. There's no any guide. You just click on it. You saw what Tessie did. Anyway, we'll come back to that. Okay. So Tessie, just do PING, ping, not pink, ping, 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 not pink, ping. Yeah, space. Do google.com. Google.com. I want to see if there's an internet connection from your machine to the internet. Do you understand what you've done now, Tessie? Do you understand what you are doing?
No.
Okay, so basically what you are doing is to test if there's a connectivity between your virtual machine and the internet. That's all you've done. So you've pinged Google from your machine. So do Control K now, please, to stop this. Do Control K. Control K or Control Z. Either of them should stop it. Just Control and Z together. Yeah. Stop. So that's what you've done. Basically, what we've done is just to test if there's a connectivity, if we have like internet connection between this machine and the internet, and we can confirm, because it replies back. We can confirm that there's a connectivity, so that's fine for tonight. That's what we want to achieve. Debola, what was the issue that you have, please? Debola.
Yeah, if you don't mind, can I share my screen, please?
Yeah, yes, please. Please do. Let's see. Thank you for tonight, okay? Thank you. Please do. Okay, so if you click on your Ubuntu, right?
Okay, yeah. Let me start it again.
Just click on this.
Okay.
Yeah, just click on the download Ubuntu, yeah?
This one?
Yeah, that's it. So it's probably in your download folder. So what was the issue that you said you had?
It's not, I can't see the download folder here.
Yeah, you can't see it here. So minimize this. Minimize this. Minimize this. Just go to the top of your browser and just minimize it from there. Minimize your browser. No, your browser. What you are sharing, just minimize it. Yes, minimize it. So and go to where's the start of your laptop? I can't see. Just go to start. Oh, okay. I don't. You go to file explorer. The laptop is really strange one, to be honest. File explorer.
Okay.
Yeah, file explorer. So I don't know, guys.
I think this is Windows 11.
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. Go to downloads. Yeah, it should be there. Go to downloads. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's Windows 11. Sorry. Yeah, I'm still using my Windows 10. So just click on your download. That's a download folder. So click on that one. Yeah. So where is it? Why is it not coming to your download?
There's Ubuntu here.
Oh, interesting. So wait, go to the. You can see if you go desktop, there's download again. Click on that one.
Okay.
Yeah, click on it. Wow, interesting. Well, yeah, this is interesting. Okay, what browser are you using? So, are you using Chrome or Edge or anything like that?
Chrome.
Chrome. Okay, let's go back to the browser again. Please, let's go back to the browser. It's really interesting. Did anybody experience the same thing? Click on Chrome. Click on Chrome.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm experiencing the same thing.
Is that James? Right? Okay. So maximize this your browser. Okay, maximize this. Go and copy the link from the email. Copy the link from the email and come and paste it here. I want to see what's going on. Or if it doesn't work, then we'll change the browser. It's really strange one. Just go to the email, copy the. Otherwise, we'll try Edge. But if it doesn't work now, we'll try Edge. No, go to the email, copy the link. Yeah, I don't know where your email is, but go to your email, copy the link. No, I think you are showing your email just like.
It was, okay, let me see. It's the same thing. I closed it.
Oh, you closed it, okay.
Wow, okay. We will not be able to achieve this now. Something went wrong.
Because you were just literally just showing us your email now.
I already opened it before then, and I had it on my.
Okay. So it seems it seems that you are still learning this Windows 11 as well, right? It's
I
new for
am.
you.
It's a new installation.
Ah, okay, that's why. Sorry, I have not. I have to be sincere. I've not used. I'm still using my Windows 10, so I'm still old school.
Okay, don't let me waste time. I can get back to you later.
Yeah,
Please.
what we can do is if we maybe come around 7 p.m. on. Okay, let's do this way. The class will start at 8 o'clock, but for those people that are having issues, you can join at 7 o'clock. I'll speak to Pat if Pat can, help us to start at 7. Again, 7 is not is just for people that are having issues. So if you have any issues, we're just going to run it quickly. Please try as much as possible to get things done by yourself. Okay.
I'll try.
That's the purpose of learning as well, and that's how you learn as well. So okay, I think I will. If there's no questions, any questions before I hand over back to Pat? Questions from anyone? Okay, there's none. Pat, over to you, please. Thank you.
Thank you so much for tonight, James. Yeah. I wanted to say, I think I can just stop recording.